How to log out your Roblox account from all devices. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to be learning how we can log out of our Roblox account from all devices, that is to completely sign out remotely. So in order for us to do this, what you have to do is, I would recommend you open your browser. Now you can also use the Roblox game or the app itself, but I just recommend using browser because it's much more easier and flexible from the browser. Once you go to roblox.com, you want to make sure to log into your Roblox account. Then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon that you can find from the very top right hand side. And there you can simply go to the option that says settings and tap on it. Now when you go to the settings option over there, you'll land on this page. Under settings, by default, you can see the drop down menu called account info. Select this drop down menu and switch to the one that says security. So if you're on account info, switch to security. Once you've done that, here you'll see where you are logged in and you'll see all the sessions that you're currently logged in. So to log out of those sessions, you simply have to select this option that says log out of all other sessions. So when you select log out of all other sessions, it will ask us for a confirmation. So tap the logout button right there to remove your Roblox account from all the devices where you're currently logged in. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.